So now I need to start the Docker because I'm running SQL in my Docker image. So if you are running your SQL in your SSMS, then no need to worry. So I already have this container and image already pulled from the previous video. So I'll simply click on start button and it will start up after some time. Now to run entity framework, I just need to open my terminal over here. Okay, I'm not able to zoom in only for this terminal, so I'll open the command prompt. So in my folder location, I'll simply press Command Shift C. If you're using Windows, then you can press Control Shift C. So after pressing Command Shift C, I got this terminal window over here, and I can increase the font size a little bit over here. Now for the entity framework, we need to install the .NET EF tool. If you don't have that, you can install like this .NET, then tool, install, then it will be on global. So global and .NET EF like this. So since I have already installed this .NET EF tool, I'm not going to run this command again, but I will run the entity framework, the initial migration. So for that, we need to run .NET EF migration. EF means entity framework. EF migration. Add initial create. Initial create. Now it will create the migrated files, but I got some error. Let me check what is the error. Okay, let's build this .NET build command. Let's start. Already we have many errors. Let me fix those errors first. So okay, first error is coming from the product controller.cs. So all errors are from the same file, and what is expected? Is saying that one comma is expected, line number 39. Now let's go to that code. Okay, so return is spelled wrong. Now DTP is not this, it will be DTO. Sorry, I missed that part. Now updated product DTO, it looks fine. Okay, it is saying that updated product DTO could not be found. Are you missing? Okay, let me check the DTOs again. Okay, update product DTO maybe. Now this is going to be DTO. Now again we are getting some error. Cannot convert from product catalog API DTOs to update product DTOs to updated. Okay. So update end ID. Now from body update product DTO, that is fine. Now for updated await service dot update async ID and DTO. Now let me check this service file. Okay, so we need to update this here also. Any other error in this file? Okay, I product service, I'm getting error here. Does not implement interface member I product service. Okay, let me check that. Okay, we have problem here too. Okay, now product service error has gone. Now in controller this is also gone. Now this is the final part. to check what is problem with this. Oh, okay, we have a misspelled of return. It should not be not, it should be no content and not found. Now it looks fine, don't have any error. Now let me run this build again, and I need to be change the background of this part, I mean of this terminal. Let it be solid. So before building, let's try with the migration first. All right, so build got succeeded, and we have the migration files available in our application. Let me check. So this is the migration folder, and these are the files created after we run that migration, EF migration. All right, so next part is to now apply this migration to the database, and for that again need to call .NET EF database update. And before it I am to check the database in my system, like is there any database created. So we only run this migration, and let's check in our database what is the current status. No database so far as per the product catalog. Now we'll run this comment. Now as you can see, these are all SQL queries in a way of entity framework. So it has created this table, product table, ID, all these things. Now let's check the database again. Let me refresh from here database. Yes, we got this product catalog DB, and here we have I guess one table, this products table, and these are all migration history provided by the migration.